Instagram has begun hiding how many likes a post receives to ease pressure on users. The move will affect users in 6 major markets, including Australia and Japan. The app, which is owned by Facebook, says it hopes the trial will remove elements of competitiveness so that people can focus less on being popular and more on connecting with others. Instagram has over 1 billion users globally, but its feed of seemingly perfect photos has led to it being called the worst social media platform for young people's mental health in the UK, with many saying they have felt anxious and inadequate after using the app. Killer whales have been spotted for the first time in waters in Terengganu, Malaysia. The pair of orcas, believed to be a male and female, was sighted near an oil drilling platform by Petronas employees. Authorities say it's the first sighting of its kind. The whales are estimated to be between 6 and 8 meters long and weigh up to 6,000 kilos each. Authorities say any sightings of the whales should be reported to them. A flock of sheep has gone on a 140-kilometer tour of Paris, has ended its nearly 2-week journey on the banks of the River Seine. And for the past 12 days, these urban sheep have been wandering around the city in search of grass, often grazing in public parks. It's all part of a plan to encourage leaders and the public to think of ways to reintegrate farm animals into city living.